I'm delighted that we're participating in Project Ipanema. It's a very important challenge because we're pursuing low carbon, low environmental impact technologies applied to the Amazon region.
Drone can be a fantastic tool for environmental monitoring.
So they're going to start the project by spending some time in the Amazon, understanding the issues, understanding what resources, materials, constraints there are within the Amazon region.
Using sustainably built drones to help monitor and protect the environment, aspiring to create, intelligently, a better future for the rainforest.
Think about what possible materials and processes can be used to make environmentally friendly drones.
We will teach locals to build such drones, enabling the community to continue to act as guardians of the rainforest.
Drones are really important as they help local peoples monitor illegal activity and also protect the forest from fire degradation.
I am truly committed in doing my best to helping the community saving the Amazon rainforest. Are you?